everyone, it's me Anggi Suci Maharani with student number 287. Here I will analyze the 2016 film Loving by examining the intercultural interaction, conflicts, and misunderstanding depicted in the movie. The film Loving, directed by Jeff Nichols, is based on a true story. It tells the story of an interracial couple, Richard and Mildred Loving, who fought against law prohibiting interracial marriage in Virginia during the 1950. Why did I choose this film? Because Loving highlights themes of racial discrimination and intercultural communication, focusing on an interracial love story and the struggle for human rights in America. Intercultural communication refers to how people from different cultural backgrounds interact, as well as the challenges and conflict that arise as a result of these differences. The film Loving explores intercultural communication through the lens of interracial relationships. It highlights the challenge, misunderstanding, and social pressure faced by couples in a racial segregated society. The characters in Loving demonstrate different communication styles. Richard, quick and direct, often preferring minimal verbal expression. Mildred, expressive, communicative, and warm, often relying on nonverbal cues to convey emotions. These contrasting styles reflect individual personality and cultural influences. Culture of stereotypes in the film Loving. Negative stereotypes about interracial marriage are portrayed through societal views that label their relationship as a violation of the law. However, the film challenged these stereotypes by depicting their relationship as pure and full of love. Impact of stereotypes. Society perceives interracial marriage as a violation of social norms, which creates misunderstanding and rejection of the couple. Cultural identity refers to how individuals define themselves based on their ethnic, racial, and cultural backgrounds. In the movie Loving, Richard, a white man, strives to uphold family values, while Mildred, a black woman, fights for the rights of minorities. Negotiation cultural identity. The first is negotiation process. In the film Loving, their cultural identities are constantly touched in the face of discrimination, forcing them to choose between preserving their love or facing unjust law. The second is communication role. Communication plays a crucial role in mediating this cultural identity conflict. Power dynamics. The legal system and society at the time considered their marriage illegal, giving more power to legal authorities and less to the loving couple. This inequality affected their communication, with both Mildred and Richard feeling cornered by society. Cause of power imbalance. Racial discrimination trends in America led to policies that restricted individual rights, affecting their interaction with authorities and the general public. Cultural context. The movie is set in Virginia during the 1950 and 1960, when interracial marriage was considered illegal in many states in the U.S. This context influenced interpersonal communication and how they dealt with social injustice. Misunderstanding in communication. Misunderstanding arose from legal systems that failed to respect cultural differences. Society and the government did not understand that interracial marriage is an individual right, not a threat to social values. Consequences of misunderstanding. The consequences for the loving couple were separation, imprisonment, and being forced to leave their home. Resolving conflict through communication. Implement strategies. The first is legal resolutions. The loving couple sought justice in court, which led to a Supreme Court decision that overturned the law. The second is communication. More open and effective legal communication could reduce misunderstanding in the context of interracial marriage. Solution to improve communication. The first is education on diversity, teaching about diversity and human rights at all levels of society to reduce racial tensions. The second is enhanced dialogue. more open dialogues about cultural differences to increase understanding and acceptance. Next, Hofstede's concepts. The first is power distance. The tension between legal authority and the loving couple reflects his power distance. An example is the scene where the police arrest Richard and Mildred in their home, showing that the law did not allow them to defend themselves. The second is individualism versus collectivism. The loving couple prioritizes personal freedom in marriage despite collective social pressure. An example is when Richard says to his lawyer, "Tell the judge I love my wife," highlighting the individual rights over social pressures against interracial marriage. Cultural resilience. The couple in Loving demonstrate resilience in facing discrimination and social pressure. Their love and commitment to one another become a powerful statement against the prejudice of their time. Despite the numerous challenges they face, their enduring relationships highlights the strength of their bond. The Loving's victory in court not only brought them justice but also sparked a significant cultural shift in the United States. The Supreme Court's 1967 decision in Loving, Virginia, and the ban on interracial marriage, marking a major step in the civil rights struggle. Conclusion. Loving shows the importance of understanding intercultural communication, the challenge arising from cultural differences, and how misunderstanding can be resolved through education, law, and dialogue.